Greetings, coffee aficionados. Welcome back to Coffee Lovers Hub, your one-stop destination for all things coffee. Today, we're taking our Java journey to new heights with coffee delivery drones, brewing from the sky. Get ready to lift off into the world of coffee delivery innovation, where your daily brew might just come from the heavens. If you're new here, welcome. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification button to always know when we post such informative coffee videos. Let's kick things off by diving into the incredible rise of coffee delivery drones. From the first experimental flights to the modern, streamlined drones we see today, the coffee industry has truly taken to the skies. And yes, they deliver more than just a caffeine boost. They're delivering convenience, speed, and a touch of futuristic charm. But how do these coffee drones actually work? Let's break down the mechanics. From navigation systems to payload compartments, these marvels of technology are designed for precision and safety. And let's not forget the crucial cargo, your precious coffee beans. They're handled with the utmost care. Now, here's the fun part: how coffee drones brew up your favorite cup in the sky. With onboard coffee makers and brewing equipment, these drones ensure your coffee is freshly brewed mid-flight. It's like having a barista in the clouds, ensuring your coffee is piping hot and ready to enjoy upon delivery. But, hold on. Are coffee delivery drones eco-friendly? You bet. These drones are designed to be efficient and low impact, contributing to a greener future. They often use clean energy sources and are built with sustainability in mind. Now, where can you experience this sky-high coffee delivery service? We'll reveal some coffee shops and companies that have embraced the drone revolution. Whether you're in a bustling city or a remote countryside, coffee is just a drone away. What does the future hold for coffee delivery drones? Get ready for a glimpse into tomorrow. We'll explore exciting possibilities like drone-powered coffee events and coffee delivered to your exact GPS coordinates. The sky's the limit when it comes to the future of coffee delivery. Now, let's add a touch of humor to our coffee drone adventure. Why did the coffee drone bring an umbrella? Because it heard the coffee was going to be drip caffeinated. Alright, we promise the coffee drones won't tell jokes, but they'll certainly deliver smiles. Feeling inspired to order your own sky-brewed coffee? We've got the details on how to get started. Download the coffee delivery app, choose your brew, and watch as the skies bring your coffee closer. It's like having a coffee genie granting your caffeinated wishes. As we wrap up our journey into the world of coffee delivery drones, remember that innovation knows no bounds. These aerial baristas are here to redefine coffee convenience and elevate your coffee experience. If you've enjoyed this flight of coffee fancy, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow coffee adventurers. Until next time on Coffee Lovers Hub, may your coffee always be sky high and your spirits even higher. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe.